More than 400 new laws are still alive as the Indiana General Assembly begins the second half of the session. Some of those bills include teacher pay, gambling, hate crimes, and student mental health. That proposal helping improve student mental health is getting mixed reactions from schools in our area, and some parents tell Fox 55's Cody Butler the proposal isn't good at all.
The proposal would give schools additional money to help pay for assessments to make sure students have the resources they need. However, some parents feel this measure makes schools overreaching.
Bringing mental health into the schools, I think that that's just letting the schools, the government, come in and raise your children.
A Senate proposal working its way through the State House would create a school-based mental health grant program for students in Indiana. The proposal includes having assessments done at school with parents' permission. Melissa Hoover doesn't think this proposal is a good idea.
For them to have the power to label my child or come into my home and take over what my parental role is, I just think that that's overstepping their boundaries.
Fort Wayne Community Schools says it already has mental health resources in its schools, and spokesman Krista Stockman says programs have been in place for years.
We really value having mental health services for our students.
FWCS welcomes the possibility of more funding. It already has therapeutic counselors in about 20 elementary schools.
Those are counselors who actually come in with a mental health background and work with students who have issues that need to be addressed.
The counselors come after a long partnership with the Bowen Center and other agencies. Stockman says having those resources available at school helps families who may not otherwise have access.
With therapeutic counselors in our buildings, they can meet with the students in the building while the kids are at school, address issues as they come up.
Still, Hoover doesn't think this is the time to make mental health a state law.
I think that it really needs to be researched a little bit more and written a little more thoroughly for parents to really get a good understanding of what we're accepting into our school district.
The proposal is now in the House waiting for a vote. There's a few weeks left in the legislative session. In Fort Wayne, Cody Butler, Fox 55 News.